Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Before 1913 in United States, parents could mail their kids to grandmas through the postal service. Modern humans first appeared about 200,000 years ago, but record keeping did not begin until 6,000 years ago. A Chinese woman got her 20 boyfriends to buy her 20 iPhones, then sold them to buy a house. American soldiers reading about Hitler's death in the newspaper, the title alone takes up half a page. Applying cold milk under eyes before going to sleep every night removes dark circles and reduces eye wrinkles. In China, to train soldiers to keep their chin up, pins are placed in collars of their uniform. A Nepali farmer named Muhammad Salmuddin was bitten by a cobra, so he bit the cobra back. The cobra died, but he did not. Aditi Govitrekar is the first and the only Indian woman to win the title of Mrs. World. A million seconds is about 12 days, while a billion seconds is about 32 years. The gold in Earth's core could cover the planet in a knee-high layer. The 5,000 medal cases for the Tokyo Olympics were all handmade by a handful of craftsmen in a town with a population of 4,400 in Hokkaido. NASA tested the effects of multiple drugs on a spider's ability to spin webs. A barista set a world record for making 420 cappuccinos in an hour. According to researchers, the smell of lead makes people want to buy romance novels. Playing Portal 2 is better for your brain than brain training apps like Lumosity. The bow and arrow shaped Ram Narayan temple in Vizianagaram based on the theme of Ramayana. YouTube Premium is the most underrated subscription product out there in the world. Varanasi is the most ancient surviving city in the world. Indians said I love you to Alexa 19,000 times per day in 2020. A study says watching Netflix for 30 minutes harms the planet as much as driving 6 kilometers. If you plug your nose, you can't tell the difference between an apple, a potato, and an onion. A cubic inch of human bone can bear the weight of 5 standard pickup trucks. Cats can't taste sweet things because of a genetic defect. A bird named Harriel found in India that never sets foot on the ground. It's illegal to feed pigeons in Venice. Jupiter is twice as massive as all other planets combined. A 800-year-old stave church made entirely from wood without a single nail in Borgund, Norway. The 4 tea producing countries are China, India, Sri Lanka and Kenya. In Japan, there is a phone booth named WinPhone where you can talk to dead persons. Rolls-Royce launched the world's most expensive car named Rolls-Royce Boat-Tail with a price of $28 million. The autopsy revealed that Michael Jackson was partially bald and his lips, eyebrows, and scalp were tattooed. Hearing your name when no one is calling you is actually a sign of a healthy brain. Pure water has no smell and no taste. It has also a pH of around 7. The rainbow that occurs at the night is known as moonbow. When the moon is directly overhead, you will weigh slightly less. A person's memory is able to save 90% of what he does, 50% of what he sees, and 9 to 10% of what he hears. Cows can sleep standing up, but they can only dream lying down. Scientists in California created a machine to create power from snowfall. A rhinoceros horn is made up of hair. Nine-year-old Mexican girl with autism was bullied at school and labeled a weirdo. Overdue book anonymously returned to UK library after 63 years. Canada has more lakes than the rest of the world combined. American woman set Guinness World Record with 6.52 centimeter mouth gap. Earth can be converted into black hole if all its mass compress into a region of the size of marble, but practically it's impossible. Capital Gate in Abu Dhabi is the world's furthest leaning man-made tower. Radioactive particles from the Cold War were found in the deepest parts of the ocean. Americans thought tomatoes were poisonous until the early 19th century. Humans are not the only animals that dream. An orgasm can burn between 60 and 100 calories. According to some old myths, birthmarks show where you got killed in your last life. Thanks for watching.